Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all going well. Guys, today we have an insane showdown. Coin Bureau says the dump has reset the market and that the bull run could last all the way to 2026. Crypto Banter, on the other hand, says the opposite. For Bitcoin, we might have already seen the top. Two analyses, two worlds, but only one can be right. As always, I take the day's biggest bulls and bears, pit them against each other, and in the end, we'll see who's actually moving in the right direction. No more separate random opinions. Starting today, we're measuring consistency and results every single day. Let's start with the bullish side. And here, Coin Bureau is crystal clear. For them, the October 10th dump isn't a cycle top. It was a necessary leverage reset. 20 billion wiped out, alts massacred, and the market cleaned up. According to the Coinbase institutional report, the market now has more room to climb, less toxic leverage, less risk of cascading liquidations, and more stability for a steady rise. Where's the smart money going? Ethereum, Layer 2s, Yield, Restaking, Gaming, Metaverse, and especially RWAs. And they also mentioned BlackRock, 1.5 billion in tokenization. Coin Bureau's conclusion? This could be a local bottom, and the bull run could last until Q1 2026. On the other side, this banner and the narrative, changes quite a bit. For him, Bitcoin is in a free fall and is completing the classic final panic phase. A bounce will happen and it'll be violent, up to 90, 95K, where there are walls of short liquidations. And here's the kicker, Banter thinks that this cycle's top for Bitcoin might already be in, and that the real missing run is in the alts, not Bitcoin. This strategy is crystal clear. Don't sell now in the red, sell into the green on the next pump. Exit on strength, not on panic. Banter's conclusion? Bitcoin may have already topped out, but the odds could still have one explosive leg up before the real bear market. All right, so Coin Bureau says this is the bullish reset. We're going up until 2026. Banter, on the other hand, says the reset happened, yes, but Bitcoin has already hit its peak. Two completely different narratives, both logical but totally opposite. And now let's get to the raw data. The leverage has truly been cleaned out. This actually favors a structural bounce. Macro liquidity, on the other hand, is still improving. That gives a point to the bullish side. But Bitcoin's technical cycles are much less powerful compared to the alt sector. That gives a point to Banner's view. My take is simple. Bitcoin can bounce hard. But the real strength, if new liquidity comes in, could go into Ethereum, Layer 2s, and other quality alts. Remember, I don't take sides. I analyze the flows, the leverage, and the liquidity. Always. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.